Hello guys, welcome back to IIT Prep Solution channel. Today I am going to explain this question. If the area of the triangle formed by the points 10, 2, minus 3, minus 4, x, 1 is 5 square units, then the value of x is. In this question they given that delta equal to 5, x1 equal to 10, x2 equal to minus 3, x3 equal to x. y1 equal to 2, y2 equal to minus 4, y3 equal to 1. What is the formula for area of triangle? That is delta equal to half into mod of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Close the mod. Delta equal to 5. 5 equal to half into x1 is 10 into minus 4 minus 1 plus minus 3, y3 is 1 minus 2 plus x3 is x, y1 is 2 minus of minus plus 4, 5 equal to half into 10 minus 3 minus 1 plus x into 6. 10 equal to minus 50 plus 3 plus 6x. 10 equal to minus 50 plus 3 is that is minus 47 plus 6x. 10 plus 47 equal to 6x. 57 equal to 6x. 6x equal to 57. X equal to 57 by 6. This is our required answer for this question. Thank you for watching this video.